Did you know there's one simple thing, just one, that's two, one simple thing that you can do that will literally change your life? Did you know? Let's find out. Welcome back. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. It's a great day, the sun's out, everything is amazing. Subscribe 198. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. It does mean literally the world to me. It's very humbling that so many of you have subscribed and sort of want to
listen to my babbling on.
So I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. So what's this one thing, not two, but one thing that you can do that will literally change your life? Now I'm going to kind of build up to it, add a bit of tension. Probably not tension at all. For the last few weeks, I lost count really how many. I've been gaining lots and lots of inspiration from the lovely Gemma Stone, who continues to provide inspiration and general peachiness. Also helped me with the obvious idea of the best temperature to keep your lasagna if it's not in the fridge. All good, love it. Yes, I just wanted to kind of share that nonsense there. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. I have no idea what I'm talking about now. Let's get to the main point. I'm just trying to ramble. I don't know why I'm trying to ramble. The main point of today's video is one thing, just one simple thing that you can do that will literally change your life. That may sound a bit exaggerated or quite a big claim, but really it's amazing. And as I've always said, the simple things are sometimes the best, and sometimes we overlook the simple things. You may well be doing it already. If you are, I'd urge you to do this more, and if you're not, I definitely urge you to do this. And this magical thing is help people. Now that does sound a bit sort of obvious if you're a generally decent person, which I take it you are. That you're watching this, then it may seem obvious. Obviously you're going to help people when needed, but when I say help people, I kind of mean that sort of going over and above, going that extra mile, just adding that extra little thing where most people would probably stop the help. And that could mean staying late in work just to help someone out with a lift somewhere that may be sort of taking you out of your way. Just small things. They don't have to be massive gestures, but small things can make such a difference to somebody else's life or somebody else's day. If you just put that small amount of effort in, it could be nothing for you, but it could massively change somebody else's life. And ultimately, it will change your life, because the more you focus on other people and making sure they're okay and helping them, that sort of attitude of giving and helping, then amazing things happen to you. You start to feel amazing. Firstly, you'll have this inner kind of glow that you just get, and you only get from helping other people. So you could almost say that helping other people is really a selfish act, because I feel amazing when I help someone else. So this is something that just goes like bang inside in a good way, like an explosion of happiness or pride, or however you want to say it. It's not about what you're going to get in return. That's not it. It's all about giving with no expectation of anything in return. That's pure help, and that's pure kind of love for other human beings and other souls in the world. I feel so good when I help someone else. Like I said, I could almost class it as a selfish act, because I almost get more out of it by helping them than perhaps they do being helped. It's so easy to not do that, to maybe to help up to the sort of expected level, but not go over and above. But that little extra amount, and it could be tiny, can make such a difference to someone else's life, but ultimately it will affect you in a massive way. And the more you do of that, the more helping without expectation and going slightly over and above, amazing things happen, and the universe kind of just explodes in gratitude. And it's I can't even explain, I can't even really articulate how great you'll feel. And it's not about, you know, putting yourself 100% last after others so you just suffer in life. No, that's not it at all. I've always spoken about, you know, you need to take care of yourself. Don't do things at the fundamental expense of yourself. No, that's not what I'm saying. When you have the time, when you have the ability, and you have potential to help someone else do something big or small, do it, because ultimately you will get paid back in good energy, karma, if that's your thing. It will come back to you abundantly. Just do it for the pure enjoyment and love and kindness of helping and giving. So you would just feel
absolutely amazing.
As soon as you help someone and just go that little bit extra, it's really, really bizarre how it changes something inside you. It really does. I don't know if it's chemical or what, but that small little effort on your part, which could be nothing, or it could be huge, it doesn't matter, but going that extra mile and just making that small extra effort and helping someone else, how that affects you.
It's just bonkers, really is.
So that it obviously affects them, it helps them, it can completely change their day, week, month, life by just doing that small little thing. And the more you do this, the more you help other people without expectation of something in return, the better you'll feel. You'll just have this energy about you. It's just I can't even explain it. I hate to almost say trust me on this, it will. Give it a go. Just help people. Go out of your way to help people when you perhaps ordinarily wouldn't. Stand a little bit later in work just to help someone finish something or do something. You know, if you've got nothing specific to do at that point, it's no real big effort for you, rather than,
oh, I've got to leave, I've only got paid until 5 o'clock, I've got to leave.
oh, f that. If you help someone else and it's no real effort for you, you're going to change lives, literally, one person at a time. The more people do that, the world will be an amazing place. And as I said, more than all of that, you will feel unbelievable, and it will just come back to you in karma, the universe, however you want to name it. You will get that back in 10 million fold. I'm not an analyst, it's not an exact figure, but you get my idea. Just do it, just help people, just go that little bit extra, and you will feel amazing. It will change their life, but it will literally change your life. It's just truly amazing, and it's no effort. It's not exactly a big thing. And yes, if you want to really go out your way and help someone, amazing, that's even better. But just those small little steps of helping someone changes everything. So I guarantee if you do that, you will be happier, feel amazing, and everything will come back to you $1,000,000% more. So that's all I've got time for today. Bit of a short one, but I just wanted to just share that with you because it's amazing when I help someone how great I feel. So it's almost like a selfish act. It's bizarre. It's worth doing because you're obviously helping someone. So if you did get some value and you like this video, don't forget, as always, hit that like button so it's nice and blue, and subscribe if you haven't. I really would appreciate it. It means a lot to me, as I said earlier. Share this around if you know someone who might get some value or might enjoy these videos. And for now, I will say thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching, all your support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks again for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so down here, and check out my other video down here. Remember, live your best life and profit from that passion. See you next time. Bye bye.